Welcome to the Digital Wealth Academy YouTube channel, your go-to resource for creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. I am Director Simon, a media executive, entrepreneur, a farmer, an investor, a peer-to-peer wealth creation, and a personal growth advocate. Yes, that is who I am. Please, you can take that for free. You don't have to pay. So on this video, I am going to be showing you how to multiply that money that you keep and that you're not using. I don't know how much it is, but I'm going to show you how you can multiply that money. If you're ready, Okon, Idara, Ali, and Wale, Naomi is also listening to me. Please come closer. If you have between 20,000 to 1 million naira or more, you don't need that money right now. Let's say you don't want to invest it in stock or shares. You don't have to leave that money idle in your savings account. Now, so why not fix that money in these banks that I'm going to mention below and have profits at the end of the year? Very valuable. Now, fair money. The option I can give you for fair money is fair lock, up to 28% per annum. Yes, very important. Now, AB Microfinance Bank is another bank that you should try. Fixed deposit interest is 22% per annum. So why leave that money idle? Now, PiggyVest is one option that you don't want to play with. Safe lock. Interest is 20% per annum. PalmPay is there. Their fixed savings is what you should try as well. Their interest is 20% per annum. OPay that you already know, our number one Oga Patapata in the fintech industry. They have their own interest too, 17% per annum. So, and of course, Money Point is also there. Their safe lock or their locked savings has 16% per annum. So if you put 20,000 naira, calculate what 16% will be. If you put 100,000 naira, calculate what 16% will be. Kuda also have 15% per annum. Now here are 10 benefits generally why you should put your money in a fixed savings account in the above mentioned banks. 1. High interest earning. Like I mentioned before, attractive interest rates ranging from 15% to up to 28% per annum. Now, capital preservation. Your capital is preserved, secure, and you don't have to worry. Low risks, very low risks. These banks are regulated, so you don't have to worry. There are regulatory compliances with these banks that you don't want to joke with. So why not put your money? There are deposit insurance. Now, funds are secured, right, by the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation, the NDIC. Predictable returns. You know what you are expecting at the end of the tenure, at the end of the year, at the end of the month, depending how long you want to leave it there. If it's 2 years, you know how much you are expecting. Now, this one is the Oga Patapata of them all. You are building a culture, a savings culture, disciplined savings culture, right? This encourages you to discipline yourself, lock funds and leave it there for a while. There's also flexibility in the tenure. That means you can decide to take some more and do one or two things and still return it when possible. Okay. Now there is digital accessibility. Many of these platforms offer easy online management, so you don't have to worry about going to bank up and down. Peace of mind. This one is so much. Your mind is relaxed. You don't have to worry. Like I said before, these banks are all secured. Your deposit are secured by the Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation. So why worry yourself? Now let me conclude this video by saying that placing your surplus funds in a fixed savings account with reputable and regulated institutions like Fair Money, AB Microfinance Bank, PiggyVest, PalmPay, OPay, Money Point, Kuda can be a smart move, offering you decent returns while keeping your money safe. Backed by CBN licensing and NDIC. Take this, like I said before, all these bank options are licensed by CBN and insured by the NDIC. So your money is safe. This sounds good, right? Yeah, of course, I know it does, right? So start now. Don't forget, we are building a community to help you build wealth without burning out, okay? So you don't want to miss this information or this opportunity for anything. So if you're interested, you can chat me up on WhatsApp via the number you're seeing on your screen, 081-440-36440. Did you get value for this video? Like I said before, of course you did. So why don't you subscribe to this channel, share this video with someone, and join a growing community of smart earners, investors. New videos are coming every week, proven strategies and real-time results you can see with your eyes. Trust me, you want to follow me on Facebook, Simon Obo, LinkedIn at Direct to Simon, as you can see on your screen, Instagram at DAIS of Africa, as you can see on your screen, so you don't miss a single step, a single tip, a single opportunity. Building wealth is very possible. If you're willing, I am in, and the rest will be history.